Troy McDonald with Coldwell Banker Realty. Want to give you a quick market snapshot for real estate in St. Lucie County. But first, let's just talk about a couple market conditions. We are seeing some changes and flux in the market. I would say it's probably due to the interest rates hitting a 21-year high. A lot of people do not necessarily want to trade in their 3% mortgage from when they refied 2 years ago and update to a new home that's going to be 7%. And quite honestly, there's good reason not to do that. So let's just jump right in it and start with single family homes. In July of 2023, the average price of a single family home was $421,000 in St. Lucie County. That is a decrease of 11%. The median price is $409,000, and that's an increase of 3%. So we are still seeing prices holding overall, but there's a dip there. Inventory was up 6% to 2.37 months. So inventory is still low. Prices are still maintaining overall, but those interest rates are starting to level the market. So I just have to see what happens. But there is a lot of demand. We still have a lot of people moving into the state from other parts of the country. Townhomes. Average price of a townhome in St. Lucie County was $285,000, and that was a 4% decrease. And the median price was $285,000 with a 4% decrease. I didn't check, but that generally tells me there was very few, maybe even only one sale. There is very few townhomes in St. Lucie County. We are starting to see the builders bringing some in, but the market is I think the market is there for it. There's just not much product, and inventory is up 211% to 5 months supply, but there's not very many units listed because there just isn't that many. So 5 months, I think that's a misnomer. So I think that's an outlier for sure. Let's talk about condos. Condos are seeing a little bit of a decrease again. I think it's probably due to the being the summer months, especially the 55 plus condos or the condos out of the island see weakness during the summer months, and they see a lot of strength during the winter months when the snowbirds and it's in the winter season. So the average price of a condo in St. Lucie County is now $480,000. That's a 17% decrease, and that's for July of 2023. The median price was $468,000, a 14% decrease, and supply increased by 30% to 5.38 months. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, condo, townhome in St. Lucie County, please give me a call, Troy McDonald, Coldwell Banker Realty, 772-260-9458.